a CA30 amplifier. Someone bring me to repair it. I am going to make power. This switch may be spoiled ready. Just look how the fuse makes direct. The fuse makes direct. The fool people. Look. The fuse burn after the short ready. Make it direct. They are not using fuse. Very good. For this case, it's making problem. Switch also make short. Look, the capacitor also. I'm going to blast. They use this amplifier in a generator. I'm going to repair. Need to open the circuit first. I'm going to opening the circuit. Taking out the circuit. So this one B. Need to open this screw. I already opened this screw. Now I am taking out the circuit. There is another wire. This is for audio input wire. No, that one for voltage. This one audio output. This one input. This is the SMD circuit. The circuit, all components are SMD. Look here, the capacitor blast ready for the over voltage. I'm taking this circuit too. This is the input wire, protection. This one also protection. This one the voltage. This is speaker output. Circuit also same. The capacitor blast ready for the over voltage because they use in the generator. They use generator. Look, the fuse burn ready. Generator makes maybe upper 300 volts. For this case, the circuit blast ready. This both circuit need to repair. Before repairing, I have to repair the power section first. They don't use the fuse. I have to reconnect the fuse. Then check the power section, the capacitor board, diode, everything. a clean ready amplifier. There had lots of dust. Here I have a power circuit, or the soft on circuit is here. I need to open the soft on circuit first. I only to open the front part. Look, here we can see soft on circuit. This is the soft on circuit. This soft on circuit already burned ready. The resistance, someone changed the resistance. Look, here normally here used three this green resistor, but someone used this white one. Need to repair this section first. After repair this software section and the voltage, then I will repair the amplifier circuit. This is the part 1. I will make part 2. I am going to repair this circuit. You can see in the part 2 the video. Look, the burn ready. Need to repair this. You can see in the part 2. Thanks for watching.